Happy October, Stardust. I call myself Amy Jean. Welcome back to my channel. Let's fall
and to change easily with this guided meditation. This meditation is for you if
you feel stuck and want to release old patterns, or if you're scared of change and you want to live with it with more ease.
let me see a big thumbs up if you love fall, cause come on! Or if you just enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below what you think about it, and definitely subscribe for weekly meditation videos. Let's begin.
You can close your eyes or rest them gently on the screen. Thank you so much for joining me here to help ease us into the season autumn by accepting change. Take a nice big inhale. Exhale and let your shoulders and facial muscles melt away any tension. 2 more times, just like that. Feel the Earth's gravity ground through the tops of your thighs. Fall is one of my favorite seasons because it brings such meaning. It reminds us at how beautiful death can be. Just like the leaves die, let's open ourselves to letting what no longer serves our greatest good die too. I would like you to inch your crown higher. Imagine space being created in your spine. I am open. I am open to change. I am constantly changing for the better. Imagine your muscles melting away into warm water, relaxing and opening. When your mind wanders, gently acknowledge the thoughts and bring it back to the breath. Change is one of the only guarantees in life. You are experiencing in every moment change. Become aware of the slight differences in each breath. One breath is more full than the other. Sometimes it comes more from the chest. The exhale may be longer the next time. Try not to judge it, but to simply be aware. Imagine your thoughts and feelings and anything like that you've been holding on to as leaves in your mind attached to a branch. Watch in your mind's eye as these leaves turn from green to yellow to red, slowly withering away to gray and falling from your branch onto a stream. This stream carries them out of sight. As each leaf falls, you feel lighter, more spacious, and open to change and letting go of the past. Change makes life interesting. A part of us loves change. We change our appearance, our rooms, our dinners. We change to let go of the past and make room for the future. Take another deep breath and release something, anything. Another deep belly breath, and this time sigh it out. Now on our next inhale, I would like you to say change in your mind. Exhale and say I am open. Inhale, say to change. So inhale, to change, exhale. I am open. Inhale, to change, exhale. I am open. I invite you to repeat this mantra 5 times. Feel where your body contacts with the earth. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, giving thanks. Flutter open your eyes if they were closed and come back to the room.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me and meditation related videos. I will see you next week. I truly hope you enjoyed. Namaste. And as always, don't forget to think beyond and Om. Happy changing, everybody!